The Lok Sabha was adjourned till 12 p.m. today after heavy uproar by opposition members. The protest started over a controversy linked to a book and a statement made about it. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said either the publisher is lying or former Army Chief General Narwane is not telling the truth. He questioned the fact related to the book. Earlier, publishing house Penguin had clarified that the book in question was not published by them. The issue led to loud protests inside the house. Due to the disruption, the speaker adjourned the proceedings till noon. Penguin Random House India has clarified that former Army Chief General M.M. Narwane's book 4 Stars of Destiny has not been published. The company said it holds all publishing rights. According to Penguin, no printed or digital version has been released so far. The statement came after report claimed that unauthorized copies of the book were leaked and circulated online. The publisher said no part of the book has been made public by them. Following the leaked claims, Delhi police has registered an FIR and started an investigation into the matter. The central government informed the Supreme Court that activist Sonam Wangchuk is in stable condition. It said he is receiving proper medical treatment at AIIMS Jodhpur while in custody. The government assured the court that his health is being taken care of. However, Wangchuk's lawyer argued that he is still unwell and his detention should be reconsidered. Additional Solicitor General K.M. Natraj told the court that no final decision has been taken yet regarding his custody. The Supreme Court is hearing the matter and further updates are expected soon. The Supreme Court has said it will not allow any obstruction in the special intensive revision of the voter list in West Bengal. A bench led by Chief Justice Suryakant stated that the process must continue smoothly. The court made it clear that this direction applies to all states. It also extended the deadline for publishing the final voter list in West Bengal from February 14 to February 21st. The court said necessary orders will be passed if needed. Several petitions related to the voter list revision are currently under hearing. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has strongly attacked the BJP over its politics. He said that for the BJP, Asaduddin Owaisi is the only god. Reddy claimed that the BJP takes Lord Ram's name in speeches, but during election, it asked for votes by talking about AIMIM and Owaisi. He accused the BJP of trying to create fear and divide people for political benefit. Reddy said his party believes in development and unity, not religion-based politics. The BJP has not yet responded to his remarks. Sunitra Pawar will take charge as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra today. The swearing-in ceremony is expected to take place in Mumbai in the presence of senior leaders and party workers. Before assuming office, she will visit the famous Siddhivinayak temple to offer prayers and seek blessings. Supporters have gathered in a large number to celebrate the occasion. Her appointment is seen as an important political development in the state. More details about the ceremony and her future plans are expected later in the day. Russia has claimed that there is pressure on India to stop buying oil from Moscow. Russian officials said the United States wants more control over global energy supply. According to Russia, America is trying to reduce Russian oil exports so that countries buy more expensive gas from the US. India has continued to purchase discounted Russian crude oil despite Western sanctions. Experts say India makes energy decisions based on its national interest and economic needs. The issue highlights rising global tension over oil, energy security and geopolitical competition. Shabana Mahmood is being discussed as a possible future Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. She is a senior leader in the Labour Party and currently holds an important cabinet position. Reports say that political pressure on Prime Minister Keir Starmer has increased after recent controversies leading to speculation about a possible leadership change. If that happens, Mahmood could become the UK's first Muslim Prime Minister. She is of Kashmiri origin and has served as a Member of Parliament for many years. However, no official decision about leadership change has been announced yet. The Indian stock market opened strong today. The Sensex jumped 300 points and is trading around 84,300. The Nifty also gained 100 points in early trade. Buying was mainly seen in banking and auto stocks, which pushed the market higher. Investors are showing confidence due to positive global signals and steady domestic growth. Major banking shares recorded strong gains, while auto companies also attract fresh buying. Market experts say if these trends continue, indices may touch new highs soon. However, traders are advised to stay cautious amid global uncertainties. Pakistan will face the United States today in an important T20 World Cup match. This game is special because in the last World Cup, USA defeated Pakistan and reached the Super 8 stage. That shocking win made global headlines. Pakistan will look for revenge and a strong comeback this time. Fans are excited for a competitive match. Both teams have prepared well and are confident. Key players from Pakistan include Babar Azam and Shaheen Afridi, while USA will depend on their experienced all-rounders and fast bowlers for another big performance. A western disturbance is once again affecting weather conditions in the Himalayan region. The India Meteorological Department has issued an alert for Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh. Strong winds between 40 to 50 km per hour are expected along with rain and snowfall. In Bihar, dense fog has covered 4 districts: Champaran, Sapol, Madhubani and Sitamarhi. A yellow alert for heavy fog has also been issued in parts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. People are advised to stay cautious and follow weather updates. That's all for today's bulletin. We'll be back with more updates next time. Until then, this is Tamanna Rizvi signing off. Have a good day.